How to fix Telegram problem easily and fast. So all what you want to do guys to fix any problem you have in your Telegram, go to settings, go to the apps. Now when you open the apps, wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. Click on this option here in the top as you can see, and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, and after that go back, click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options right here, and then all what you want to do now is very simple. Go back, click on power usage details, click here on the power consumption alert, make sure that it's enabled, and the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, search for Telegram and update it. If the problem is not solved, then you may have to remove Telegram from your phone and re-download it. So don't forget to like and subscribe into this channel for more educational videos. Thank you so much for watching.